the sky. Baby elephant, wave your trunk down